Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you a little tip for improving your pivot table work and making things go a lot faster. Often we have a situation where we've got a pivot table and we have a lot of different columns with data, and they all have numerical data, and we want to get the thousand separator in them. So one way to do it would be just to select the columns and then push this comma feature here, and you get things formatted nicely. But the downside of that is that if you refresh your data, you lose your formatting, which is annoying. So the way to actually set it, you can right click on the column, then push number, and then do 1000 separator. But that's a bit annoying when you have to go and click through, and it sticks. But that's a bit annoying when you have to go and click through all your different columns and do that. So I'm going to show you a little macro that I made that can speed this process up, and you might find it useful too. So what I'm going to do, I'll come into record a macro, and then I'm going to edit that macro, and I'm going to put my macro code into it that I made previously. So now if I'm to run that macro, it'll update the formatting on the entire pivot table, and it'll stick if we refresh the data. So if that's useful, I'm going to leave in a description a way that you can get that macro code for using in your spreadsheets. Okay, thanks for watching.